Welcome, folks, to the Fairmont Kea Lani. We're over here in Maui, just getting into the room here. We've got an ocean view suite, so you're greeted with, I guess, I don't know what that is. Chocolate? Oh, coffee. This just looks different from the pods that I'm used to. We've got two rooms here. Nice little coffee table. A phone, nice dresser. Got a couch with a 50-inch maybe, 45 or 50-inch. Come out to the patio. Got a view of the Pacific Ocean over there. Let's check out the bedroom. Coming over here, we've got a king suite. 55-inch or so. Very nice. And we'll move on into the bathroom. Got a ladder. Never know when you need that. Nice bathtub, stand-up shower. Little cubby shower. Whoa. Way back there. I guess that's a waterfall. Oh, okay. The lights switch. Oh, here we go. Right in there. Very cool. Nice bathtub. Big, spacious sink. Sinks, plural. Also, I forgot to mention, there is a fridge. It doesn't come with that, but it does come with two water bottles right here. It comes with these. And they have little water stations all over the place. So you can just keep refilling. And we've got a safe, and some drawers, a couple of trash cans, and a microwave. Coffee pots, microwave. Obviously the creamers, we saw that. Black tea, herbal tea, and a laundry basket. Shampoo, conditioner, shower gel.